You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French and American artist. If you want to learn more names from famous painters and French, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in French, Louise Bourgeois. The French pronunciation here, Louise Bourgeois. In English, similarly, Louise Bourgeois. Bourgeois. How to pronounce Louise Bourgeois. English pronunciation, Louise Bourgeois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.